my Filipino coworkers, you know what? Parang bayang trend, di ba? We are very optimistic and our resiliency, kahit tumuyo ang doy, sabi nila, kahit na nga na nasira yung mga bahay, but we have smiles on our faces. Or right away, we have a connection. Yung parang, oh, syempre kabayan. Sort of go the extra mile, even without, being conscious about it.
Almost every day I see Grace, a very good hard worker, and greets everybody, not only by first name, also by everybody's language.
Of course, I watch TFC. It relaxes